Hi guys, this is Josie with the Exploreum Science Center, and today I have a fun recipe for you guys. We're going to be making pizza bagels. This is a pretty simple activity, but one that you can make with your kids with very little supervision. You will need parental supervision to bake it, but you can make it pretty easily. And it's just a few ingredients. I have bagels. You can use any kind. Everything would probably be best to add a little bit extra to it, but all the store had for me was plain, so that's what we're working with today. Just some tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni for me, or whatever topping that you would like. And you're just going to take your spoon and spread it on your bagel. I don't like too much sauce on mine, but it is up to you how you want to make it. You have a lot of creativity in this one. We're going to take our cheese and spread that on it, just like that, and then take some pepperoni. And like I said, you don't have to use pepperoni. You can use whatever toppings you would like, but I will be eating this and I like pepperoni. All right, so once you've made your creation, you can pop it in the toaster oven or you can pop it in the oven just to get it nice and toasty and the cheese melted, and you have yourself a nice little snack. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments if you try it and what kind of toppings you tried on it, because I like inspiration always. Also, just keep in mind that our summer camp registration is now live. It's online. You can register online, and be on the lookout for a video from me talking about frequently asked questions about our summer camps, because I'm going to have all the information for you guys. All right, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.